questions regarding this?
Should it be using, say, the same volume as the heart rate?
Sorry, just run that one by me again.
The crying technique.
Yep.
As a lead up to the initial high note. Should the crying song technique be done in a lower volume?
Slightly. Yeah, I'm going to give you a secret all the pro singers are doing. They're all raising. So every single pro singer is going, we are. So I'm not going, we. It's we. I'm doing it slowly now. We are. Whoa. They're all raising. Yeah, so that's what we're always do this Nike logo, guys. Okay, but it starts a little bit quieter, then raises up. But guys, don't be scared to belt as well too. You know, in theatre they use belting all the time, where you just pull the cry out and just belt it, wah! And do that as well too. So there's nothing wrong with doing that. You can do it safely if you use proper diaphragmatic support. But this is a general technique. So yeah, just a little bit lower and then raise up to it. Yeah, you can call it whatever you want. Climbing, I call it a raise. I don't like to use sliding because sliding nearly refers to going off the notes. So I like just to sort of. No, I call it raising. Yeah, I just call it raising. But you can call it climbing. You can call it whatever you want. Cool. Any other questions? No, fantastic. Alrighty. So again, you can follow this crying technique on my YouTube channel. And again, guys, exit when it gets too high. Keep it in true voice. Don't go to falsetto. Don't go to the artificial voice. Girls and girls, high as you can in there as well too. That would be great. If you're feeling any discomfort, scratchiness, hot burning, irritation, stop. Is anybody feeling any discomfort here today? Oh, this is great. This is too easy.